Protect your Apple iPhone 13 camera lens with this ultra-clear tempered glass protector designed for flawless clarity. With 99.9% transparency, it preserves the natural colors and sharpness of your photos, so nothing gets lost behind a foggy or scratched lens. At just 0.3 mm thin, this lens protector is both tough and discreet. It maintains full touchscreen sensitivity and fits perfectly over your camera without adding bulk. The smooth surface adheres seamlessly, preventing bubbles and keeping dust out, so your lens stays pristine. This premium tempered glass offers reliable defense against drops, scratches, and scrapes. Its polished finish not only looks sleek but also delivers lasting durability, ensuring your camera lens stays protected from everyday bumps and accidental damage. Thanks to a special hydrophobic and oleophobic coating, the protector resists fingerprints and liquid residue. That means fewer smudges and easier cleaning, so your camera lens stays clear and ready for every shot without any hassle. Customers across the United States have praised this product for its quality and ease of use. One user shared how following the included installation instructions made a huge difference. The protector on their wife's phone looked factory installed, compared to a less perfect fit when skipping the steps. If you're considering a camera lens protector for your iPhone 13, this one is worth a look. It combines crystal clear clarity with solid protection and a smooth installation process. The included kit helps you get a perfect fit the first time, avoiding bubbles or misalignment. Keeping your iPhone 13 camera lens safe doesn't have to be complicated. This tempered glass protector offers peace of mind without sacrificing photo quality or touch responsiveness. If that's you, give it a try when you're ready. Investing in this lens protector means fewer worries about scratches or damage from everyday use. It's a simple way to extend your phone's lifespan and keep your photos sharp and vibrant. Protect your iPhone 13 camera lens today and enjoy the clarity you expect.